Hi everybody, my name's Matt Elliott and I'm here at Guaranty RV Super Centers today in sunny Junction City, Oregon to show you a brand new 2019 Jayco. This is the 212 QBW model and it has a bunch of special stuff we'll talk about. It's a dynamite layout, not too big, and it's got a rear lounge. Let's take a look at the inside and I'll show you around. One thing you'll notice right away is these have a nice big grab handle on them, easy to get in and out of. And the thing that's special about this design is, first of all, if we look to the front, this has a queen walk-around bed. It's full size, it's bigger, it's not truncated like a lot of RV mattresses seem quite a bit smaller than this. And it's got some good storage, and it's especially open. In this day and age today, you'll notice that the fronts of a lot of trailers are quite low and sloped, and it makes the bedroom area really congested. This is full height. A tall person can walk in and out of here, get in and out of bed. Nightstands on both sides with power, so you can, have a machine or a phone charger or something like that if you want. And there's a bunch of storage under here. Look at that, lifts up, and that whole front area is storage accessible from inside and all the way across on the outside. So there's a lot of storage here. Now let's take a look down here. You see you've got a very nice bathroom, and in this one here you have a porcelain toilet. People like that. It's a lot easier to clean and take care of. It doesn't stain over time or anything. It's got a big skylight over the shower. This is a nice big shower tub and plenty of room for a full-size person, and unusual for a small trailer. This actually has some counter space around the sink. It has a nice medicine cabinet. And so you've got room for your toothbrushes and your shaving gear and stuff. So that's nice. Now here we've got our galley. And the thing I want to point out about the galley, first of all, is that we've got a large double sink and it's divided so you can wash and rinse. There's a big trend right now for big farm style sinks that don't have any divider in them, and that's nice. But obviously you can't have soapy water and rinsey water, so that's good. Have a nice metal single handle faucet, beautiful wooden cabinets up here with a lot of storage in the galley, drawers down below, a 3-burner stove and an oven. You'll notice a lot of trailers today don't have ovens at all. And one of the biggest features on a Jayco is this is a 8 cubic foot refrigerator. Most trailers you see today will have a 5 or a 6 cubic foot fridge. This is quite a bit larger, and that comes in really handy on a longer trip. And it has a huge freezer with a nice deep basin in it, so you can, stuff doesn't come out at you when you open the door. It stays put, and that's really nice. We've got a pantry over here. So you got plenty of room for all your canned goods and food. And then up here, this is one of the nicest parts of this trailer, is that we've got a rear lounge. People are buying rear lounge trailers so they can get a view out the back and out to the sides. If you back into a campsite and there's the lake or the mountaintop or whatever it is that you want to see out the window, besides maybe RVs on your either side. So the rear lounge is very popular. This one has a dinette and a sofa. So for a smaller trailer, this will actually seat and sleep up to 6 people. And it's also got a really great feature. Today, there's a lot of trailers that use a little fold-out window. It's called a frameless window. And it's nice for some reasons, but it's not nice for the reason of ventilation. This has big windows that slide across down here as well. And so you can get a lot of cross ventilation in this coach. It's great when the weather's nice and you get some fresh air. This one's equipped with a home theater system. This thing will go Bluetooth and play. It has a HDMI connector. It comes with the TV set. That's a special package. The trailer really is fully equipped, has air conditioning and a power awning and a bunch of other stuff we'll talk about as we go outside. Before we do though, I want to mention one thing. Jayco is a company that's been around over 50 years. They do a good job. They build a really nice trailer with plywood flooring and roofing. They have a Magnum truss roof, which is a patented feature. It's very, very strong, and they have a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. Most trailers just have a 1-year warranty, and in fact used trailers don't have a warranty at all, right? So it's nice to be able to get 2 years in this price range. Okay, now one thing I want you to see as we look at the outside of the trailer, this is a Rocky Mountain Edition trailer. And it's also got the Baja package. Now the Baja package does big oversized tires with sprung over shackles for your axles and springs. What that does is it gives you quite a bit more ground clearance. So if you like to go into more remote areas and you're going to be, you know, not necessarily going to the little highway side stop, but you want to go up in the mountains, this is going to give you ground clearance for handling potholes and more rugged terrain. That's really nice. Also, with the Rocky Mountain Edition, it adds some features. The best one to me is the freshwater capacity on this coach is almost 90 gallons. You can really haul a lot of water in this rig. Now you'll notice it's a sheet metal trailer. This is a traditional way to build a trailer, and if you ever go into an old RV park or an old yard or an old marina where the boats are, you'll find the sheet metal products weather a lot better than the fiberglass products over years and years. So if you're a person who likes to buy things and hang on to them a long time, you might really want to consider a sheet metal trailer. They're the way to go. Now if we walk around this way, you'll see we have deep tinted glass here. It really cuts down on the sun intervention inside. And there is that big outside storage access all the way across. We do have stabilizer jacks on all four corners. And one thing you see here that's really nice is a power tongue jack. And also this has the full-size 7.5 gallon bottles. So you've got half again as much propane as most trailers out there have. And it's great again for a longer stay. Now this trailer doesn't have a slide out, and that's something that a lot of people look for because they need to be able to get into tighter campsites or use the trailer in their driveway. There's not as many trailers out there anymore with no slide. This is a dynamite floor plan, and you don't have to worry about maintaining slide seals, gaskets, or equipment. So that's a plus with this floor plan. Another thing I want you to see is that there's a ladder on this trailer. I mentioned earlier that this has a Magnum truss roof with a 3/8 inch exterior grade tongue and groove roof decking. This is a fully walkable roof. That's important because you may need to go up there and take debris off your roof before you drive, or you may want to inspect your seals, make sure you don't have any leaks coming up. You always want to fix your leaks before you have them, and it's hard to do that if you don't have the ability to get up on your roof and take a look at it. Also, this trailer has nice crowning shape to the roof, so you get good water runoff. And this is a preparation. This little black feature above the window is a preparation for a backup camera, and it's pre-wired. If you were interested, you could have a portable backup camera in your vehicle. No hard wiring that needs to occur. It's very easy to do. That's just a quick overlook on the Jayco Jay Flight SLX 212 QBW. This is one of my favorite trailers on the lot. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough, and if you'd like to know more about it or see it in person, just give me a call. My name's Matt Elliott, and you can reach me at 541-954-8495. Thanks a bunch. You have a good day.